Morning to all of you. You are most welcome. The very next explanation of the chapter, that is trees, and this beautiful poem is going to just tell you lots of things about the beauty of nature, about the beauty of tree that plays very important role in our day-to-day life. Here, this poem has been written by this poet to bring lots of awareness in our life regarding trees. What's their role to play, and what's our role to play towards them? Because tree also the very important part of our surroundings, the part of our life. So we need to take care of it and save it for our better life, for peace, for beauty, and for ecological balance too. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Just hear the poets before the uh, explanation of the chapter wants to bring awareness among the readers that the readers must know the kinds of tree, the types of tree, their roles, their importance in our day-to-day life is very important to understand before we read the chapter. Mention the things trees give us. And another very important part of this chapter, of this lesson, is that what is the role of tree, that we came to know that there are various roles that tree play in our day-to-day life that has been mentioned here. It is very important. It is going to make us very saddened when we find people cutting tree for the sake of abode, for the sake of shelter. They are destroying, and it is going to create lots of ecological imbalance, and that results lots of natural disaster. So we need to save it, we need to love it, we need to care it if we want our next generation to be safe and sound. So here the beautiful explanation of this poem: trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in. Here the very important, the very shelter of birds, that is supposed to be tree. We find birds making their nests in the tree and bring forth their children, where their babies. It is the house of the birds, because the birds and animal are free living and spending their time near the tree, because they want freedom, and they can get freedom living in the forest where there is nothing but tree. They don't want to just live with human beings, because we don't care for their emotions, their feelings as they want. Trees for children. It is generally seen and noticed that children spending lots of time playing seek and hide games, and jumping, and spending their lots of time near the tree. Trees are to make tree houses in. It is seen in villages, in remote areas, in countryside, that the children just spending their time, the people just making the houses made of wood, made of tree, that it helps us in many ways. It maintains the greeniness, it maintains the natural balance, it makes our environments beautiful, because it is also the gift of nature, that the gift of nature as we human beings are, it is also. So we need to understand the trees, its importance, its sentiments. We never try to cut it, because it takes lots of time to grow a plant into a tree. So it has also its feelings, it has also its heart, it has also its life as we have. So when we hurt somebody, it gets him bad, it hurts his feelings. All the same, when we try to cut and destroy the tree, its feeling is going to hurt. Trees are to swings on. Here trees by the children used for swing. The children spend lots of time near the tree for playing swing. Trees are for the wind to blow through. It also just trees helps the wind to blow, and helps him to maintain. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Here we find hide and seek, the children that they play in their childhood. These are to have tea party under. Generally it is seen when there is very hot weather, and we people spend our time under the tree and having our party, that because outside there is sun and in which you cannot spend time. It provides us shelter, it provides us food, it provides us fruits, it provides us life. So in all spheres, if we compare, that it is going to help us in maintaining a beautiful, peaceful and fruitful life. So it's our own duty to maintain the beauty and the scenery of the earth, that is the tree. So it is the very first. Next part we will study in the very next video. Thank you.